Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we will go with numerical problems based on convex lenses. Convex lens. So what is the first problem is a convex length of focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a wall. How far from the lens should an object be placed so as to form its real image on the wall? Which image? Real image on the wall. So try to understand the question. What is given? If you observe, what is given? Given focal length is 10 centimeter and image distance is given 12 centimeter. Image distance is given 12 centimeter. And also they said which is a real image. So for real image, which is a convex lens object distance which is 12 centimeter, as it is a real image. So object distance is equal to 12 centimeter. Focal length is given how much? Focal length is also 10 centimeter, which is also positive only. Now we have to find where should be an object be placed. I mean, we have to find out object distance. What is given? Given focal length is 10 centimeter and image distance is given 12 centimeter. We have to find out object distance, I mean u. U is question mark. What is length formula? We have length formula 1 by f equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u. So 1 by f equal to 12 is equal to 1 by b equal to 10 minus, what is the value of, we have to find object distance only 1 by u. Now minus 1 by u, you transpose this side and plus 1 by 12 you take that side. So I mean 1 by u equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. Now 1 by u equal to, what is the LCM of 10 and 12? 10 comma 12 LCM, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 3 1 are, 5 1 are. I mean 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 5 are 60. LCM is 60. I mean 10 table, 10 6 are 60 into 6 into 6. 12 5 are 60 into 5 into 5. So 1 into 6, 1 6 are 6 minus 1 into 5, 1 5 are 5. So 1 by u equal to 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1 by 60. So 1 gets cancelled. So u equal to how much? U equal to 60 centimeter. So what is the object distance? Where we have to place an object? We have to place an object at a distance of, 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter from the lens. So what is the nature? The nature of an image is which is a real image, as they have mentioned which is a real image. Real image. And what is the, where we have to place an object? We have to place, they are asking how far from the lens should be an object be placed. I mean we need to place an object at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. Got it? How to find object distance if it is given focal length and image distance. Okay? We will go with one more numerical so that we can understand the concept clearly. Right? Coming to second question. An object 7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. Find its position, nature and height of the image. we need to find where is the position of an image and what is the nature of an image and what is the height of the image we need to find out. And given, what is given we need to find out first of all. It is given an object 7 cm height. Height of the object is given 7 cm, is placed at a distance of 12 cm from a convex lens. Object distance is given 12 cm, which is -12, and given focal length is 8 cm. Focal length is given 8 cm. So let us find out image distance, I mean V. So according to lens, what is lens formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to 8 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u is given minus 12 centimeters. So 1 by 8 equal to 1 by v minus into minus plus 1 by 12. So take this plus 1 by 12 towards left hand side. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by v. So what is the LCM of 8 and 12? LCM of 8, 12, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24, 8 3s are 24, into 3, into 3. 12 2s are 24, into 2, into 2. 1 3s are 3, minus 1 2s are 2, equal to 1 by v. So 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by v. So 1 1 gets cancelled. So v equal to how much? V is equal to 24 centimeter. I mean, where we got the image? We got an image at a distance of 24 centimeter. We got an image at a distance of how much? 24 centimeter from the lens. That is the position. Now coming to nature. So what is the nature of an image? We got here plus sign indicates, we got here plus 24. I mean, which is a real image. What is the nature? Nature is which is a real image. And coming to height of the image, we have to find out height of the image. So for that we have the formula magnification m equal to v by u, and also we have the formula magnification m equal to height of the image to the height of the object. So we can write it as hi by h naught equal to v by u. So we have to find height of the image, I mean hi, and what is given height of the object? Height of the object is given 7 equal to, we got image distance v 24 and object distance is given minus 12. 12 1s are, 12 2s are. So cross multiplication 1 into hi, that is equal to hi equal to 7 into 12, 7 into 2 14. Here we have minus sign, so hi equal to minus 14 centimeter. I mean, height of the image is double the height of the object. I mean magnified image we will get. So what is the height of the image? Height of the image is 14 centimeter. What is the height of the object? Height of the object is 4 centimeter, but we got height of the image is 14 centimeter. So that is height. Nature is real image and position is at a distance of 20 centimeter from the lens. This is about second problem. We will go with one more problem so that we can understand clearly each and everything. Okay? Yes, coming to third problem. An object of focal length 5 cm is kept 25 cm away from a converging lens. What do you mean by converging lens? I mean, convex lens are also called as converging lens. I mean here, which is a convex lens. A focal length 10 centimeter. What is its nature, position and size of the image? Got it? So what is given? Given focal length is 5 centimeter. Focal length is 5 centimeter. An object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. So object distance is 25 centimeter. I mean minus 25. And focal length is given. An object of focal length 5 centimeter. Sorry, I think question is wrong. An object of height here. So given, what is given? Once again, see the question. An object of height 5 centimeter. Height of the object is given 5 centimeter. Is kept 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. So object distance is minus 25 centimeter. And what is focal length? Focal length is 10 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find image distance and height of the image. These two we have to find out. We have lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by f equal to 10, 1 by v minus u is given minus 25, 1 by minus 25. So 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v minus into minus plus 1 by 25. Let me transpose this side. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by v. What is the LCM of 10 and 25? Which is 50. 10 5s are 50 into 5 into 5. 25 2s are 50 into 2 into 2. 1 5s are 5 minus 1 2s are 2 is equal to 1 by v. So 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 50 is equal to 1 by v. So this is 1 by v, I can write as v by 1, and this one becomes 50 by 3. So 50 divided by 3, 3 16s are 48 point 16 1s are, sorry, 3 6s are 18, 2, again 3 6s are. So what is the image distance? I can write as 16.67 centimeter. I mean, we need to place an object, we need to place an image at a distance, we will get an image at a distance of 16.67 centimeter from the lens. That is the position. So what about the nature? As we got which is a positive, hence it is a real image, real and inverted image. So nature is what? Which is a real and inverted image. As we got v equal to positive plus 16.67. I mean we have to place an image at a distance of 16.67 centimeter from the land, which is a real image. Now coming to size of the image, we have the formula magnification m equal to v by u equal to hi by h naught. So what is the value of v? Let me take 50 by 3 so that calculation easy. So v equal to 50 by 3 by, what is the value of u? U equal to minus 25. Nothing means I can write as 1 equal to, we have to find height of the image, and given height of the object is 5 centimeter. So this I can write as 50 by 3 reciprocal into minus 1 by 25 is equal to hi by 5. 25 1s are 25 2s are. That is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 3 equal to hi by 5. Again cross multiplication, 3 into hi is equal to 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 10. So hi equal to minus 10 by 3. 10 divided by 3 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. So I mean HI equal to, we are getting minus 3.33 centimeter. So what is the height of the object? Height of the object is 5 centimeter. But we got the height of the image is 3 centimeters only. I mean the size of the image is diminished. So object is this much height. I mean for suppose it is a 5 centimeter, then image is 3 centimeter only. I mean size of the image gets reduced. Got it? So these are the problems related to convex lenses. Once if you understand the concept, where we have to, and sign conventions are important. When you are taking signs, you have to be careful. I mean object distance is always negative, u value negative, focal length also focal length will be positive, and image distance will be positive. That you have to remember. That's all. Once if you understand that tree, everything is possible. Okay? Thank you.